Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got a quick, easy DIY fix for you guys. Do you have a battery on a vehicle that just keeps dying, that has a phantom charge? Obviously, if your battery's bad, you should replace the battery. So get that checked first. But if you've got like this Jeep, it has upgraded lights, an upgraded stereo. It's got the light bar wiring. It's got a light bar. Other things that keep causing this battery to die. Also, we don't drive it a lot because it sits in the backyard. This will be my son's Jeep soon, but we tow it behind the RV. So it keeps dying. So I'm going to install a battery-operated kill switch. So it's going to come with these. All these are fairly inexpensive, so you can pick these up for right around 25 bucks. I'll put the price of this one here. But it comes with everything you see here. I'm not even going to take this out. The other vehicles, this is what I mostly used. So it's actually pretty interesting and pretty cool on how these go, right? So you can put this, looks like a battery terminal, on here. This one with no wiring, right? And then and then it comes with another battery terminal, right? So then these extenders and this bolt. So you can actually extend this out, so this would go on the battery, and then this battery terminal post would actually go on the back of here. So you basically move the terminal over and then create a new terminal with this. I'm not going to do that because Jeep has these nifty little wing nuts. So let me set the camera up and show you real quick how I'm going to do this. So that took me about 10 minutes. No matter which method you use, whether you're using the stud like this or you're doing something else like you saw me here, I had to do a little troubleshooting. Try to do it upside this, try to put this upside down here. so it was tucked out of the way, but I just couldn't get it with this spacing. Maybe I could have twisted the battery terminal a little bit, but we're fine. So I doubled up this little copper piece just because it's running current through it. And then let's see if we can hear. Well, after a little bit of trial and error there, I am done. It does matter which side these go on because it won't ground itself if it's not on the right side. So the one it shows in the photo, it shows you putting the battery terminal, so this one on, it looks like the red side that already has the stud on it. So that's where the wire would go. So so you want, I had these switched and I had this flipped over, so I had to adjust the terminal a little bit, but it would not work the other way. So here the red wire is closest to the ground stud of the battery, and then the grounding wire comes to the other side next to the black. So obviously these jump over here as well. So I guess actually you could probably just take this wire off and move it over here. So yeah, just know that you would need to, if you need to flip this over and you can't get it this way, this grounding wire needs to go to the battery stud. So I could have just switched this grounding wire over here. So it shouldn't matter which way this goes, but this grounding wire needs to be touching the battery. It needs to be going to the battery so that the power wire of the relay and the solenoid and the negative wire are making a connection with the battery, because if you have it over here, this is not making a connection with the battery. So that's what's important. That was the part that is weird, but I like it here. This is where I was trying to get it in the first place. So I flipped it back over and it's here. Even with fiddling with this, it took me 15 minutes. So if you already know how you want to do it, this should take you less than 10 minutes, but 15 if you really need to. And then you just hit the button, you can hear it click, off, on, off. Quick and easy battery kill switch on the car. So I've done one of these on my RV, but this one's on the Jeep. So if your Jeep has a problem like this, or your other car, and you've got room to install one of these, there you go. Put it on your key ring. You can just hit the kill switch and you're all set. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Like and subscribe, do the free things, and see you back for my next crazy project.